Hi guys, Black Hawk here. In last few days I've been very busy building this rig. It is 8 times RX 580 8 gigabyte. The reason why I've been building this and optimizing it is because I want to sell it. I already optimized it to what I believe is the best possible with this rig. So so like this, those are the numbers. I hope you can see. It is now stable for 20 hours at 273 mega hash, and we are not getting any hardware errors, right? You can see hardware errors here. We are not getting any. So I believe this is now stable enough to sell it. I am selling it for 3,000 euros. I know you will think that the price is a bit high, but given the situation where it is so hard to get GPUs, I think it's a reasonable price. There is only one more thing for me to do with this rig. I want to try to put it on Hive OS and optimize it, and then see if I am able to get any more hash rate, or if I'm able to lower consumption. By the way, power consumption is right now 1230 watts at the wall. So let me put it on Hive OS and let's see what we can get. Okay guys, I'm back in dashboard on Hive OS. I have used last hour to try to fine-tune this rig, and first I wanted to tune it to the settings that I would use for 24/7. This is not the max hash rate, but I believe it is good hash rate and good power consumption, so really efficient tuning. What I was able to achieve is 266.5 mega hash, which is 1.5 mega hash higher than in Windows in this efficient mode, and power consumption is 1100, and that's it. So about 10 watts less than in Windows, and 1 mega hash more than in Windows. I'm sure that I can fine-tune this a little bit higher, maybe 2 or 3 mega hash higher, but I just didn't want to spend so much time. And now I want to try to set it up for the highest mega hash possible and compare it with Windows. Give me a few moments and I will be back. Guys, I'm back. This is now my highest hash rate possible in Hive OS. I was able to get 276.5 mega hash, which is 3.5 mega hash higher than on Windows. But the downside of this is that also power consumption went up for about 20 to 30 watts. So now it is 1260 or thereabout. Even though I lowered core and MEM voltage from 930 to 925, power consumption is still higher. I don't really know why, but this is the case. So this is now stable. It has been mining for 11 minutes. I believe it is stable. I'm not 100% sure, but I don't have time to leave it run for a day or so. I am really happy with the hash rate that I was able to get. Most GPUs were able to get 34.65 mega hash. This is really high for RX 588 gigabyte. The same like efficient configuration. Also with this high hash rate configuration, GPU 4 was the least strong, and I had to go with the lowest overclocks, and then next was GPU 5, and the others were the same. I'm sure I can, or I'm able to squeeze just a little bit more out of some GPUs, but really this is maybe it will be 1 mega hash difference altogether, so there is really no point of doing it. So that's it for today's video. Guys, please give me a like if you are impressed with hash rates that I was able to get on RX 588GB, and leave me a comment down below. You can comment about the price, about the hash rates, about the configuration settings. Please give me some tip what I can improve. And okay, that's it. See you in my next video. Cheers.